Hey guys, this is Galen from skitravelguides.com, where our mission is to educate and stoke you up about skiing and riding. You're spending a ton of time and money on your ski trip, and our mission here is to know before you go. So let's get started on the top 3 ski resorts for beginners. And coming in at number 3, we're gonna go with Boreal Mountain Resort. Now Boreal is on the top of Donner Summit. It's a much smaller ski area. The whole area spans a small ridge line that you can see from the freeway as you drive past it. At the base area, there's like Woodward Sports, which is a summer and also a winter kind of extreme sports learning area for kids and adults. I secretly want to spend more time there. I think. They have a big foam pit you can jump into. It's really cool. But Boreal's great for beginners. It's a great place to learn how to ski. It's a small area, and it's set up in a way where you can do a ton of laps, and it's really easy to kind of see the scope of the mountain. And if you have young kids, they're only really going to be in 1 or 2 places, which is like really kind of helpful. Ski rentals are cheap, the lift tickets are cheaper, and it's a great place to get your bearings for learning how to ski or ride. The big park scene as well, and then they also have like night skiing with lights. They're one of the only areas in the Tahoe Basin that has night skiing, so you have that added benefit as well. But it's really easy in, easy out. You have to drive to it from either the Truckee side or the Reno side or the Sacramento or the Bay Area side. But top of the mountain, it's right there off the freeway. You can ski and you can get out. So Boreal coming in at number 3 from an affordability and ease perspective. So they have no village area. It's just kind of like all about the skiing, top of the pass, get in, get out. Number 2. So number 2 is very close to my heart, as I was a ski patroller at this place for over 6 years. And we're gonna go with Palisades Tahoe. Yes, so Palisades Tahoe is known for their extreme skiing and snowboarding and world-class lines, but it is a great place to learn. So why is this on the list? So there's 2 main reasons why Palisades Tahoe really deserves to be on your trip if you're a real beginner. And the first is there's a whole bowl area at the top of the mountain. So you can access this with the tram, and it's all beginners. So this whole area, it's this beautiful bowl. It's around 8,000 feet for the base, so you're gonna have good snow quality in early season or late season. And most ski resorts have the beginning ski area at the bottom, and then it's just kind of a small lift at the bottom, and then you see all the cool skiing all around. But at Palisades, it's one of the only places in actually the United States where you go up to the top, and there's this like alpine glacial bowl, and it's beautiful. You have views of the lake up there, you have views of the entire Sierra Nevada. It's right on the crest. And you have 3 dedicated lifts to the beginning ski area. And Squaw Valley, or formerly known as Squaw Valley, Palisades Tahoe has one of the best ski schools in the entire country as well. So, they've trained Olympians, they might as well train you too. So Palisades Tahoe coming in at number 2 for beginners. One more quick thing is the base area is tremendous. So they have a whole great base area. It's more of a village type feel. And yeah, so if you don't want to just go ski and leave, you want to go kind of have a great experience for an introduction to skiing, or it's more of a destination type, then you're going to want to check out Palisades Tahoe for number 2 for beginners. And number 1 is going to be an even better village. It's going to be, I would say, the top village in the entire Tahoe area, and that is Northstar at Tahoe. If you are a beginner, you want to learn how to ski or ride, Northstar has a tremendous ski school. They have a huge base area with ice skating and live music and great apres. You can ski and ski out on some of the condos around there. And there's a Ritz-Carlton mid-mountain that you can have lunch at or stay at. It's a really big mountain. It's a great ski school, and as a beginner, you're gonna have a good experience. So I would highly recommend Northstar at Tahoe for my number 1 learn to ski, learn to ride ski resort. And yeah, have fun skiing, let it snow. This is Galen at Ski Travel Guides. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will have a more in-depth review and how-to for different skill levels for each of these resorts in Tahoe. So stay tuned, subscribe. We really appreciate your support, and let it snow.